Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open the front hood of your Mercedes-Benz car. So as you can see, I'm sitting on the driver's seat of my Mercedes-Benz car. What I need to do is I need to move down and see for this red switch here. So you can see this is the red switch which I need to move down. So I'm going to just move it down, and once I hear a sound, click sound, that means my hood is open from the front side, right? So just move this red button down from here. Now I'm going to move to the front of my car. So now I'm in the front of my car. You can see when I press that red button, the lid opens slightly. Now, in order to open it fully, it's locked from here for right now. There is this button here. So in my case, it's a yellow button. I just need to move it slightly on the left hand side. And when I do that, my hood will open fully. So I moved it and you can see the hood is opened, and this was the latch I was talking about. So you need to just move it on the left hand side like this. Okay, so once we're done, I'm going to just close this hood, and the hood is closed, right? So this is how you can open or close the hood of your Mercedes-Benz. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.